Hey guys, welcome to Blessed Tutorials. Today's video is about the 0xc0000034 error, which is another Windows blue screen error. But first of all, leave your like, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell, okay? To begin the solution process, you need to do is to get to the Windows recovery screen. To get to this screen, turn on your computer and press one of these keys several times. F8, or F9, or F10, or F11, or F12, or Shift plus F11, or Shift plus F12, or just Shift. This should open the Windows recovery screen. When you get to the Windows recovery screen, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then System Restore. A screen should appear, and on it should be a restore point. Usually created by you or by Windows itself, usually on the last update date. Select a point with a date before the problem occurred and click Next. On the next screen, click Finish, and then just wait, as this process can take quite a while. If it doesn't work, you'll need to access the command prompt. To get to it, you'll do the same process to get to the Windows recovery screen. When you get there, click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, then Command Prompt. If your PC has a password to enter Windows and it asks for a password, you must type it. If you don't have one and it asks, just click Enter. In the command prompt, type the following commands: chkdsk:/f. Note, C symbolizes your disk drive. If it still doesn't work, you can try this other option in the command prompt. bootrec/fixmbr, enter. bootrec/fixboot, enter. bcdedit/export c:\backup, enter. attrib:/boot/bcd-h-r-s, enter. rend c:\boot/bcd-bcd.old, enter. bootrec/rebuild-bcd, enter. Exit, enter. If a message appears asking if you want to add the installation to the boot list, you should type Y, without quotes, and then type Exit. If no question appears, just type Exit as shown above. If it still doesn't work, you can try this other option in the command prompt. C:\enter. cd c:\windows/system32/config, enter. mdbackup, enter. Copy **backup, enter. mdbackup1, enter. Copy **backup1, enter. cd-regback, enter. dir, enter. Copy **, enter. all, enter. Exit, enter. And that's it, folks. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and of course, comment if it worked for you, okay? Share this video with all your friends so we can help more people and the channel can grow. Hope you enjoyed the video. Big hug. See you in the next video.